I remember Marlon distinctly saying, he reached a certain point in his life where he just finally was able to utter the words, "I just don't care."
What really happened between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard? A detailed, fair-minded breakdown of the courtroom drama, leaked recordings, and Hollywood's divided response, *. Soft, moody piano _ Fade in, news footage of flashing cameras. Slow zooms on Depp and Heard walking past with serious expressions, once Hollywood's golden couple, or so it seemed. Their 2015 whirlwind romance captivated fans, until their 2016 split sparked a drama that spiraled into a multi-year courtroom saga. Today, we unpack what truly happened between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard, the secret recordings, the massive defamation trial, and the culture-shaking aftermath. Section 1, The Beginning. Montage. Clips from the Rum Diary, red carpet stills of Depp and Heard side by side, cast and crew interviews. In 2012, Johnny Depp, already a household name from Pirates of the Caribbean, met Amber Heard on the set of the Rum Diary. Sparks flew, and in 2015, after Depp divorced Vanessa Paradis, the couple tied the knot. Amber Heard, 2005, 2006, minor roles, 2012. Met Depp on set, 2015, married, * Johnny Depp, international star since 2003's Pirates at First Glance. They appeared ideal. Two charismatic actors, supportive, affectionate, and deeply in love, until troubling rumors began to surface soon after their engagement. Section 2, Let the Trouble Begin. Recreate timeline visuals and low-key, somber music. Text overlay. December 2015. Divorce filed. December 2015 brought shockwaves. Amber Heard filed for divorce after 15 months of marriage, citing irreconcilable differences. She obtained a temporary restraining order, alleging Johnny had been verbally and physically abusive. "He hit me across the face. He threw things at me. I left with bruises." Depp denied all claims. The couple's joint statement called the period intensely passionate and at times volatile, but always bound by love. Still, the tone had shifted. Tabloids exploded with buzzwords like violent spat and Hollywood meltdown. Split screen of TMZ clips, paparazzi, and puffy headlines, blurred audio of anchor reporting fight. Section 3, the 2016 settlement. In January 2017, the divorce was finalized, along with a $7 million settlement to Heard, which she donated to charity. The joint agreement stated both sought to put this all behind them. Both publicly expressed hope for positivity moving forward. Video clip of Heard's tweet, *I believe justice and healing are possible. However, it didn't end there. In December 2018, Heard penned an op-ed in the Washington Post describing herself as a public figure representing domestic abuse victims. While never naming Depp, he claimed it was clearly about him and sued for $50 million in defamation. On-screen quote from Depp's filing: "Ms. Heard's op-ed was understood by reasonable readers to refer to me. She accused me of being abusive." Section 4, The Legal Battle. First round. Heard countersuit for $100 million, alleging Depp and his team launched a smear campaign to destroy her reputation. Thus began one of the most highly publicized celebrity court cases in recent history. Depp accused Heard of false allegations, harming his career and public image. He testified he was the one abused, physically and emotionally, especially highlighting Heard's alleged aggression during substance-fueled incidents. Heard alleged years of abuse at the hands of Depp, from throwing objects during arguments to leaving her with bruises. Key witness, private bodyguard Sean Bett, who claimed to have seen facial bruising and snippets of domestic disputes. Section 5, Key Evidence. The courtroom unearthed explosive evidence, a series of voice recordings, eyewitness testimonies, photos, and texts that both camps used to build their cases. A secretly recorded conversation in Depp's Malibu home depicted Heard allegedly admitting to hitting Depp. The audio was ambiguous, but Heard's team argued it reflected Depp's words. Security footage captured Depp angrily throwing objects and smashing bathroom mirrors in 2015, part of Heard's evidence. Heard's bruised face made headlines. Depp's lawyers countered. Heard's photos post-dated an unrelated incident and suggested contrivance. Photo comparison slideshow. Heard at event, then bruised the next day. Timeline overlay. Section 6. Public reaction and media from day one. The trial played as live TV. Clips went viral, memes were born, and everyone had an opinion. Jurors wore goggles or headphones to shield them from media pressure. It was that intense. May 2022. Hashtag Justice for Johnny versus hashtag I Stand With Amber * celebrities took sides. Some supported Depp, arguing the op-ed never named him. Others rallied behind Heard as a symbolic survivor of abuse culture. Polls showed shifting public sympathy throughout the trial. Surge in Depp support after tape excerpts, but Heard had strong empathy from some early jurors. Section 7. Final verdict. In June 2022, the Virginia jury delivered a complex verdict. Depp won his defamation claim against Heard. Each of the 3 statements was deemed false. He was awarded $10 million in compensatory and $5 million in punitive damages, later reduced. Heard prevailed on one count. Her former lawyer defamed her, receiving $2 million. Section 8. Aftermath and public split. Approximate. 250. The victory was bittersweet. Depp returned to social media, touring TEDx events, interviews, and concerts for his band. Heard, after surrendering $2 million, remained largely out of mainstream film, her appearances minimized. Depp's UK concert with fans chanting, "Johnny, Johnny," and Heard quietly giving interviews about activism and humanitarian causes. But the trial's real legacy? A stark division. Heard faced intense online backlash, death threats, career backlash, while Depp was celebrated by a large fan base as a symbol of being wrongfully cancelled. Section 9. A cultural mirror. This case was never just about 2 celebrities in a toxic relationship. It was about something much larger. It held up a mirror to our evolving culture. A culture wrestling with #MeToo, cancel culture, trial by media, and the blurred lines between justice and judgment. Cut to clips of pundits on both sides, legal analysts, trauma experts, cultural critics. Intercut Twitter debates, podcast soundbites, YouTube essays. To some, Johnny Depp's win was a victory for due process, a powerful pushback against a culture of assumption and social media-fueled condemnation. A moment when a man, accused but not convicted, reclaimed his name. To others, it was a step backward.